Hello, my name is Matt Rasmussen. My experienced team and I have been helping small businesses find and claim employer tax credits for over 30 years, helping hundreds of small businesses find millions of dollars of much-needed tax relief. As you already know, the pandemic, along with government shutdowns, took a wrecking ball to small businesses. Thank goodness, Congress finally acted on behalf of the little guy and allowed employers to claim up to $26,000 in refundable tax credits for each employee they paid during 2020 and 2021. So how does it all work? It all started with the passing of the $2.2 trillion CARES Act in 2020. It set aside up to $26,000 as a refundable credit for every employee that was kept employed during the pandemic. This is not a loan program. You do not need to use the funds for any particular type of expense. You will get a series of checks issued to your business which can be used for any purpose the business decides. We file all of the paperwork needed on your behalf and do not bill for any services unless and until you receive your checks in the mail. It's a completely risk-free and cost-free program until your credits are awarded. The reason you probably didn't know about this program is there has been massive confusion around how to qualify. In addition, the law was amended 3 separate times along the way. Also, most accountants are tax experts, not credit experts like E&M Tax. We have specialized in business credits for over 30 years and have been helping clients get their ERTC credits since the very first day the program launched in 2020. So we know every detail and nuance of this credit. Millions of accountants incorrectly inform their clients that they did not qualify due to not being shut down, or not having revenue declines, or having received PPP funds. This is simply not true. The IRS issued hundreds of pages of guidelines along with revenue procedures and rulings on the program. So you must be an expert in the area to fully know how gross receipts or revenue structures or how supply chain and business interruptions or mandates affected your business even if your revenue grew. We support clients daily who were told they do not qualify for their credits. Since the process is risk-free and cost-free, you may as well find out or you will miss out. To get started, simply complete our engagement agreement along with our brief questionnaire. We will compare your questionnaire answers to the IRS guidelines and use it to determine eligible quarters for qualification. We will then need some payroll and revenue reports along with any PPP documents from your bookkeeping team. Based on those reports, along with qualified quarters and qualified employees, you can get as much as $100,000 for every 4 employees in your organization. To be clear though, this is not a guarantee. Every calculation is based upon the actual circumstances within your business and your area. We will provide a 100% accurate and complete estimate of your refund before submitting anything to the IRS. Once submitted, we will stand behind this work and defend it against any inquiry or clarifications as needed by the IRS. Our policy is to do all the heavy lifting up front, so there are no issues on the back end when you receive your payment. We have been standing behind our clients and our work like this for 30 years. The best part is there is zero risk or cost to you up front. If you don't qualify, it costs you nothing to know for sure. We collect only when you collect. Our fee is based upon a contingency of 20% of the actual credit received and only paid from received funds. This fee includes every aspect of the preparation, including no charges ever for handling any inquiries by revenue agencies. It's complete and full protection. You collect, we collect. It's the perfect win-win, so you know we will fight on your behalf. All you need to do now is ask your consultant to forward a link to our engagement letter and questionnaire. Remember, whomever referred you to us will not see any of your confidential financial data. You will securely upload your documents directly to our secure servers where our team of professionals will begin the calculations and qualification. Once we know your qualifying amount, we will email you an award letter and the forms to sign for submission. We handle the entire submission process on our end, so all you do is complete, upload, and wait. We handle all the rest, including any notices you receive. Once submitted, You will receive a Form CP210 telling you how much your refund will be, followed shortly by your physical check. You will receive up to 6 separate checks. It's really that simple. Congress specifically designated over $1 trillion for small business employers who were on the front line of the pandemic disaster. You and your employees were heroes during this time, facing unknown health risks along with an unknown financial future. Putting this $1 trillion into the bank accounts of entrepreneurs like yourself is why the program was created. Start the process now and let E&M Tax secure your maximum allowable refund. Thanks for watching.